से message किया. We can talk. You can mute the video.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, I will make the video. And I won't be taking your face.
Don't worry. All he's doing is taking my hair. देखो मेरे बच्चे ने मेरे फोन के साथ क्या किया. He watches Cocomelon and he throws my phone.
He's not even one. How the hell is he?
He's not even one, but he holds my phone and throws it. जब उसके मन पसंदीदा rhymes नहीं बजते उसमें तब, but he needs to understand that you need to swipe down to up and then change it. That he doesn't know. And then I lock the screen and give it to him, so he gets very paranoid.
To put that shampoo. So where is Azhar right now?
Office. इधर ही तो है, Norbit के पीछे.
Your life is all along in Malad. There's
Yeah.
nothing. Oh, that's why you don't have nothing to do with the traffic.
Yeah, nothing to do with traffic. I still handle a lot of traffic
Yeah,
in the
but you
whole
don't
day.
like
But
imagine if I
I
have
was
to.
working in Andheri East. No, earlier I was working in Powai because my office was in Powai. Then my office got shifted to Andheri East now, so I have by default taken work from home. Because I told you, I switched my job. That's why. Hey, Kajal Didi is here. She's in Dubai.
Dubai.
But she came here.
While I go back, I'll be stopping over in Dubai.
You haven't stopped there.
No, I will be for 3 days
Acha.
because last time I went, I was there only for 12
I
hours.
am also going 3rd of September.
She's here in December. There's some wedding in her family.
But she was here a couple of days back, if I'm not
No,
wrong.
Baba, there's a big launch happening in Dubai. Why? She was here 3 months
I saw
back.
a story. She was here. No, not 3 months back. Maybe a month or so back she was here. I don't know. She may have posted something older.
Yeah.
Might be a possibility. I'm going to by 3rd of September. My tickets are done. It got done.
Oh,
yesterday.
that thing is done, or you are going to meet the friend, your husband's friend?
No, it's my son's birthday, 1st of September.
Oh.
So we planned because he was like the first birthday.
So then why?
let my
So
mother
then
be
why you
here.
went for first? When you went third?
Third, because he said it's our son's first birthday, no? So he said कि मेरी mom भी रहेगी, मेरी बहन भी रहेगी. So first we'll do like a small family get together.
Oh, okay. So you don't want to go on the birthday
Yeah.
day.
So we're
Okay.
like on the second we'll take rest and all, we'll pack and everything, and third we'll leave. Then 10th we'll come back. We're going for a week.
A week. So tell Kajal she's there only.
I'll tell her we'll go because I'm just waiting to know when we are going to Dubai, because from here we're going to Abu Dhabi. We'll be staying in Abu Dhabi for 2 days, and then the remaining days is when we go
So
to
the drive from Abu Dhabi to Dubai is around 1.5 hours.
Yes, exactly. Because we were looking for flights to Sharjah. There are no flights to Sharjah directly.
So why do you want to go to Sharjah?
Because Dubai के लिए Sharjah सबसे convenient पड़ता है जाना. That's why. So then we are going to. That's why we are going to Abu Dhabi, and then from there we'll stay there for 2 days, and then we'll go to Dubai from there. And then while returning back to Bombay, we'll return to Dubai. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
They got convinced not to do any hairstyle.
Yeah. Because I know Naman don't be so finicky, man.
But there's a guarantee no इसके बाद they'll be doing it.
No. Either they sign a contract or they don't.
अच्छा.
I have just told Naman that. That's why I was calling you yesterday, right?
हाँ, correct.
Because I met him. I'm like, what the fuck is happening, man?
हाँ,
This is going on and on.
हाँ,
Either you take her on board or you don't. अब इतने नखरे थोड़ी ना आएंगे.
correct.
So you understood.
Then so they should call me to their Versova wala branch. If it gets on board, then they should call me to their Versova wala branch.
Yeah, because they've opened a new one now.
Exactly. Santa Cruz will be so far from me.
Yeah, but for that I need to speak to Samir because Samir is the one who looks after everything, right? No one has just invite.
And I'm sure the new that they have opened must be a much more better one than the Santa
Yeah,
Cruz.
that's a bigger one. That's what I was.
Exactly. And Santa Cruz one is very small.
Yeah. That artist gallery was there. Yeah? That one, right? No?
Sorry?
But near the artist gallery only, yeah?
Which one?
The new one opening.
Oh, I'm not talking about Harsha Rakesh. A different place.
Okay.
Because
Is it
even
okay,
they
water?
have- yeah, perfect. Because even they have an outlet there, so that's why.
Yeah.
So he got agreed.
Of what?
He agreed to it of not doing the styling part.
Yeah, yeah.
Got it.
Because I told him this way. I'm like, why am I wasting my time? I'm meeting a friend.
Huh.
This is professional days. Why am I wasting?
Ah.
I've come all the way from Canada just to meet my friend, and you want me to go there, sit and like whatever, do this.
Huh.
I understood.
Huh.
Because I'm here only for now. The plans have changed, right? I'm going back tomorrow, and then
Correct,
I
correct.
come back again on
Did
6.
he go? So what did he say?
I like, yeah, boss, do whatever. I'm like, because
Makes sense.
and you know the thing is, I'll tell you what it
Okay.
is. The way I figured out it because it's in India, Naman is just an investor. So it's what so Samir is making all these. Yeah, but Samir is not in that